Did you know that selling on eBay is great? It's truly one of the best ways to make money online. Whether you're new to selling, or a dropshipper, or a direct seller, all of your profits will essentially depend on the product that you choose to sell. This is like the most important thing about selling online. Today, I will share with you some golden tips on how to find top selling items on eBay and explode your sales. So the first secret to successfully sell online is to pick a product with a high demand and a low supply. You don't want to sell over popular items because it will waste your valuable time and you'll be competing with tons of other sellers. You don't want to do that. Your time is precious. And if you do that, it will destroy your profit margins. So again, the first secret, choose products with a high demand but a low supply. Okay, so now the second secret for successful online selling on eBay is to find the correct price tag. You don't want to sell products that are overvalued or underpriced. There is always that optimal point at which your product will sell very well. And you need to look for that optimal point. How do you do it? By doing lots of research and comparing your product to your competition, to other similar products, to get an idea of the price range. This is how you do it. So that was the second secret for successful selling on eBay. Okay, now the third secret of successful eBay sellers is the title. You need to optimize your titles, guys, because your products will appear to buyers, to prospects, based on how good your title is. So make sure that you're using the hot keywords, because this is how it will appear to buyers. That's one thing. Now the other thing that's as important is the length of the title. You want to make sure that you're utilizing the entire length of your product title. Okay, now the fourth secret of successful eBay sellers is that they look for revenue, not for sales. Let me explain. If you had the choice between selling 100 needles and selling one t-shirt, which one would you choose? Of course, selling one t-shirt. It's way easier and way more profitable than selling 100 needles. Okay, so as you see, product research is the hardest part in selling on eBay, yet the most important. Now, if you were a smart seller like me, you'd be using a market research tool. Because a market research tool will utilize all the secrets I told you about with just a few clicks. Now, there are plenty of market research tools available, like Terapeak and AlgoPix, but I personally use Ensellify. Ensellify is so powerful and unique in its features and algorithm that will surely help you explode your sales. Now let me move to my PC and show you how it works. Okay, so now I've opened the Ensellify platform. Here, for example, on the left panel you can see the most searched niches this month, categorized alphabetically. So if I click on A, you can see all the different niches. If I click on B, the same happens. All the different niches and the hot keywords. Now if I click on one of them, I get some more extended niches. Let me choose this one, the backpack. So it's loading right now. Here you can see the comparison. The niche seems very competitive and I think I shouldn't consider it. So if I click now on niche bubble mailers, then on bubble mailers 6x9, you see that bubble mailer is a perfect niche since we have a few sellers to compete with, and also the sell-through rate indicates that this niche is in demand. Now on the right side we have the average selling price, and you should stick around this price, which people tend to buy. Okay, so under that we have some related keywords that you can add to your product title. Doing so will increase surely the visibility of your product. And as you can see here, we have also the revenue table. As you can see, the second seller here has earned more revenue by selling less than the third seller. Yeah, this is quite interesting actually. And it's quite important. So on the top left, there is a search box. If you have a niche in mind, you put it in there and search. That's it. So if I want to search for coffee mug, I type coffee mug in search. Let me click on the niche coffee mug travel. Okay, so that was it. It's super easy actually. That's pretty neat, right? Anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the most important thing, happy selling!